All right, good morning, everybody. It is January 6th, 2023, and here's your, or I guess my, plan of attack for day trading 0 DTE SPX or ES futures positions. So, first off, let's bring over the economic calendar. So, you see this morning we've had non-farm employment change, unemployment rate, and all that coming out. We still have ISM services PMI coming out at 10 a.m. as well, so that's a little bit after the open. So that being said, um, being a little patient, and as far as entering a position, and for one, is because we're still in the box. So if you're familiar with how I would do this, or how I even come up with a plan, first thing I do is formulate. I try to forecast how I expect today's candle to close, and today, like so far, the news I was looking for to break us out of this box isn't happening, which is frustrating. And the reason it's frustrating is because, so here's the box. We've been in this box forever. And I was hoping with the news that comes out, we get this break, right? Let's get the break. It's a bearish, can't, or bearish, bear flag, sorry. We had a bear flag. There's some squeezes, negative. Everything's on gray, my cool. Let's get out of this box and let's get to where we can start doing something. Well, that's not happening at the moment. We'll see what happens with ISM numbers. But that being said, overall picture, hate to say it, but we're still in the box. I actually may not even place a trade today, but we're in this box and this box, right? Or I guess that's the top and bottom of the box. So what's my plan for today as far as placing a day trade? So we didn't break down. We're rallying back up to resistance. Overall trend is lower. Are we going to rally up or come down? Who knows? We may just chop for a while until Powell speaks. And I believe CPI is next week on the 10th. Maybe that'll be when something will get moving. Who knows? But and we will see. But that's what I was looking at right here. I'll show y'all. So I was scrolling through the day. So January 10th, the CPI is that day. Maybe that'll be something get us out of this box. So nonetheless, we're still in the box. So let's go ahead and look at our quick hits charts. What we're looking to do here. All right, so not that one. Where are we at? Here we are. Okay. So there's several things to look at here. So economic data comes out, we rally back up here to this resistance grayed out area. Here is the daily 21 EMA where we get the price action gets stuffed every single time. We're right up here at the third ATR on the hourly time frame, which is these purplish bands. And the question is, do we keep pushing higher up into here, or do we roll over and go lower from here? I am still only shorting rallies until we get above here. Like I will be more than happy to go long, but we need to get above this box. And so my plan for today is if price, I'll wait for the open, wait for ISM numbers come in and see where the volatility takes us. But if we could push up, potentially up to here, and then get sell signals, then I'll take the reversion back down to the mean and just be quick to take my profit. If it does balance and wish to go higher, I am not going to buy that dip simply because it's not with the overall trend of the day. And that's just that's how I view things or how I do things. And one other thing worth looking at as well is I was looking at all the market profile. You see right now, so this is the weekly market profile that I have right here. I'll even maximize it so you can see it better. So if you're unaware how this looks, we're rallying right up into this high value area. So today, or as of since Monday, or I guess Tuesday, because of the market open. So right here, there's two peaks, right, where volume has been high for the week, and then here is the largest peak, and then obviously point of control is all the way down here at the bottom on this trend line. So for the week so far, the most volume has occurred down here, and we're simply above it. So news comes out, we're popping up into this level. So this is kind of a level where you can expect price to potentially stall, and then maybe come back to point of control. That's the ideal situation. You lock up profit here and things like that. But that's the overall how you could view market direction. But we still need to get some confirmation. But so basically, the reason I'll show you this because basically 38.75 is the top of, or is the peak of the highest node for the week. I'm going to go ahead and take a step back. Let's go back over here. So, like I said, my only plan today is a shorter rally if it happens. I would like to see sell signals anywhere between 3880 and 3900 in this zone. If we get sell signals, I'll probably hit it with a call credit spread and look for the reversion back down. But if that doesn't happen, even say today is a clean, okay, up here we get sells, or bam, here by the dip. I can't do that simply because we're right by the 21 EMA, and every time we get here, price just gets smacked in the face every single time, right? So I'll just show you this if you haven't seen it real quick. So it comes up here, down to support, back up to here, and I showed this yesterday, back, and then up to 21 EMA, and back down, 21 EMA, back down. Here we are again. Are we going to hit it and once again get stuffed? I guess we'll know by the end of the day. But that's my plan for the day. Be careful out there. If you don't have your setup, don't place a trade. Don't swing the bat if the pitch doesn't come your way. You don't have to trade every single day. All right, so that's my little disclaimer for today. But everyone have an awesome day. Be disciplined, follow your plan, and I will see y'all in the options room at 10:30 today. Take care, everybody.